गोवा स्टेट एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन काउन्सिलाची मीटिंग असली. थिंगा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर also was present, environment minister was present, I was present, science and technology. And governor is the chairman of this council, GEPC. And meeting lasted for quite a long time, where governor has taken the review of all the projects undertaken by GWMC, Goa Waste Management Corporation. He's taken review of Saligaon solid waste management plant, how it is functioning. The new plant which we have laid the foundation stone at Kakora. He spoke about Baingini, that Tiswadi requires the plant where you all are going to take all this waste which is generated in Panjim, the capital city, including his Raj Bhavan, and all the surrounding areas and all the other 5 constituencies of Tiswadi and part of Ponda, where on this itself, the minutes of the meeting of the old and the agenda of this meeting, it is clearly mentioned that our solid waste management plant at Baingini will come up, and for that necessary permissions from Goa State Pollution Control Board are awaited, which the Environment Secretary has promised that they will issue the environmental clearance by the end of this month, that is before 31st of December. We will get the environmental clearance for Baingini. So we are, as I have spoken earlier, we are on the right track. We have fast-tracked all these facilities of Kakora, Baingini and Verna. The land which we have taken from GIDC, Goa Industrial Development Corporation, which is at Verna Industrial Estate. We are going to set up a 250 GWMC plant. For that, environment impact assessment has already started. And our e-waste facility, which is there already, is on track. Highway and district road waste collection tender has been floated and work order has been given, and they are going to start the work now. They are mobilizing their units, their vehicles, and also they are mobilizing their stations. So the new contractor KCIC is who is doing a very good job in Goa, has been awarded this contract, and the amount of the contract also is very reasonable. Earlier the tender was given for around 28.5 crores for 5 years, and this time it is given for 16.7 crores, 16 crores 70 lakhs, something like that. So it is within I think it is quite around 10 crores less than what was given 5 years back of our Honorable Prime Minister, which we are taking up in Goa. And he has taken review of status of CND waste sites in Goa, the plant which is supposed to come up, and the land which is identified is in Bicholim. So that also is being fast tracked. He has asked when this facility will be ready, and I think we are going to fast track this. He has also spoken about tar balls surfacing on the Goan beaches, which all the members have advised that we should take up with Ministry of Environment and Forest, New Delhi, because international waters are also involved in that. It is not only us as captain of ports or something like that that we can monitor, because there are ships which are in international waters which treat the oil over there only, and they release it in the international waters. With the tides it comes on the beach. So we have to monitor that so that they do not throw this used oil into the deep sea. So Navy should be involved. Also our Coast Guard should be involved. Definitely as captain of ports, we want to procure a good vessel where we can even go little at the beyond 5 nautical miles with a bigger vessel, and we should have good patrolling of these big vessels which are coming into the waters of Goa.